guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look for you guys, and I am using the Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palette. So if you guys want to know how to create this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every time I upload. Now let's get started with the eye makeup tutorial. This is a neon pink eyeshadow tutorial, and I'm using the Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions eyeshadow palette. I recently purchased this and I fell in love when I saw it online, so I needed to have it. I'm just going to create something with all these colors. I will be pointing them out since they don't have names in the back, or maybe they do, but I don't feel like reading all this. But anyways, I'm just going to start with the primer, and for the primer I'm using the P. Louise base in 01. So I'm just going to do this side on camera so it can be easier for me and easier for you guys, because it'll take a long time if I do both eyes. But I'm just going to blend it out with this Makeup Shack T6. I like to spread it around with this and then blend it out with another brush. I blend it out with the concealer brush from Makeup Shack as well. So I just blend it out all the way up to the brow bone. I did do my eyebrows off camera, and I used the Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in the shade Soft Brown. And then I used the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 2. I will link everything down below just so you guys know what I used. Thank you to everyone that has been entering my back to school giveaway and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the fam bam. I hope you guys have fun here. I'm going to start with the darkest shade, which is this one over here, the purple one. I'm just using a small eyeshadow brush. This is the M506. This is more of a purpley pink. And I'm just doing a halo eye today. I'm like, might as well do a halo eye. I think those are the best ones. So basically what you're doing here is applying it in the inner corner and the outer corner. You can connect them, it doesn't matter, because you are gonna cut the halo anyways. So first I like to pack on. Once I have that on, I like to go in with another brush. This is the M507. It's very similar to the last one. And now I'm going to go in with the pink one right here on top of that last shade. This is a Barbie pink look. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. A little bit up, not too much, where you don't want to go all the way to the brow bone. You want to keep it low anyways. So far, I'm loving this palette. This is my first time using it. I think the quality is an A for me, because other palettes that I've used from the drugstore that had a pink, they don't really go on this pigmented. But this one is for sure worth the $30, let me tell you. I know it's kind of small and you only get 9 shades, but you can always use this with other palettes, you know. You can use these for like pop of color right here in the inner corner. You can use it for a lot of things. But now I'm just going to go into another shade, the top one on the right. This one right here. And I'm going to use that with the Sigma blending brush E25. Use my code Adriana and it will save you money at checkout. So I'm just going to use that to blend that in there. When I do halo eyes, I kind of like to round it out. I don't like to extend as much, so then it won't look like a halo. If you do blend the other shades on the inner part, you can go back and add more. Now I'm just going to go back to the M507 brush and use the pink one again. Just apply more in the middle. sandwich. And then I'm going to use the M506. I use the more purpley shade. You can go on the lid, it doesn't matter. This one is my favorite shade, I think, the purple one. It's so cute. Now to cut the halo, I'm going to use the Morphe M224 brush, and I'm just going to use the P. Louise base again. I like to start from the bottom on the middle part, and then you kind of have to calculate how you want it to look, and you kind of want to look up as well, and that is where you want to cut the crease. So up to there, up to this point. You kind of want to round it out, the top part. This is the shade that attracted me the most to this palette, which is this one here and this one. I'm going to use the bottom one first, and if I have to add the top one, I will. But first I'm going to start with this one here. And I'm just using this small brush from Anastasia and applying it with no Fix Plus, nothing. And just applying it straight to the eyelid. I'm gonna use my finger first, actually. Let's see. Yep, these definitely go on better with your finger. And then if you want to use a brush, you have to wet it. I'm gonna use the Kylie spray. This shade is beautiful. It's like a purple shade with blue and pink reflex. It's just amazing. I'm gonna go into the purple shade again and just blend out the edges. I like to tap it and then blend it. This is what the eyeshadow is looking like. I'm really digging it. I wish the shimmer shades, they have a little bit more pigment to it, like more shimmer rather than glitter, but that's my only concern. Other than that, everything else looks amazing, but I'm just going to blend this out a little bit more. I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara. Just prep my eyes for the lashes, and I'm using the Lancome Mozio Big. And the lashes that I'm using today are these Makeup Shack lashes in the style Dubai. I just love this style. It's amazing because you can still see the eyeshadow look with these. I did the other side off camera, and I also did my face, as you can see. I will link everything down below of what I used, but I am really digging this look. Can you guys see that halo eye? And now I'm just going to use this hot pink color for the lower lash line, and I'm just taking the M507 and applying it all over. So starting in the outer corner all the way to the inner corner. This is going on so nicely under there and so pigmented. And now I'm just taking this smaller brush. This is the Makeup Shack T14, and I'm using this purple shade now and just applying it on the outer part of the eye. It doesn't make that much of a difference, but it defines it a little bit. Now for the inner corner, I'm taking that pink shade that we said we were gonna use, and I'm taking that with the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH38 brush. It's like a little pencil brush. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Look at how pigmented that is. Wow. I am shook. I am shooketh to the core. Seriously, this has to be my favorite inner corner highlight. Now I am going to do my lips with you guys. I'm just going to use the Wherever Walnut lip liner from Makeup Forever to line my lips. For my liquid lipstick, I'm using the Too Faced matte liquid lipstick in the shade Holy Chic. And this goes on more pinky than it looks once it dries, obviously. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.